58 years and counting. That's how long Jamaica and the United States of America, USA, have established diplomatic relations. Over the years, both countries have partnered in areas of security, education, climate change, HIV and AIDS, health, trade, energy, and others. The relationship has seen high-level visits and meetings among government and ministerial heads across borders. Prime Minister Andrew Holness met with President Donald Trump and Vice President Mike Pence in the U.S. in 2019, and former U.S. President Barack Obama visited Jamaica in 2015. Now, U.S. Secretary of State Michael Pompeo will visit Jamaica from January 21 to 22. As Secretary of State, he is the President's principal advisor on U.S. foreign policy and conducts negotiations relating to U.S. foreign affairs. Among his many duties as Secretary of State, Mr. Pompeo is required to participate in or direct U.S. representatives to international conferences, organizations, and agencies, negotiate, interpret, and terminate treaties and agreements, ensure the protection of the U.S. government's interests in foreign countries, supervise the administration of U.S. immigration laws abroad, promote beneficial economic intercourse between the United States and other countries, and supervise the Foreign Service of the United States. Secretary Pompeo is the 70th U.S. Secretary of State and was appointed to office in April 2018. Prior to that, he was elected by a majority vote in the U.S. Senate on January 23, 2017 as Director of the Central Intelligence Agency, where he served until April 2018. During his two-day working visit to Jamaica, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and senior cabinet ministers will hold bilateral talks with Secretary Pompeo. The agenda also includes a multilateral roundtable discussion with CARICOM foreign ministers. Mr. Pompeo will deliver a policy speech on U.S.-Caribbean relations and the country's renewed commitment to closer ties based on shared values, interest, and economic development. Areas of cooperation between the United States and the Caribbean vary among countries, but common interests include cooperation on national security and transnational crime. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith welcomes the visit of U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo as a demonstration of commitment by both countries to strengthen engagements.
We're very much looking forward to this opportunity to build and indeed reinforce our already close ties.
The call on Jamaica is part of a 6-day working trip for the Secretary of State, during which he will also visit Germany, Colombia, Costa Rica, and Florida.